What's good YouTube? It's the Base God in Yu-Gi-Oh! Here on TeamBlackRainbow's channel, coming at you guys with some more Duel Network. I haven't really done much today, just chilling at home by myself, home alone, you know, forever alone, all that goodness. So, I've been just making random decks recently, and instead of the Vague Sword that I usually play, I've been playing this new Chaos deck. But that's not what I'm gonna play, because I usually only play the Chaos for matches, and I don't really feel like playing a match. But I am making that deck in real life, and it is almost complete. So, I'll be playing Absolute Zero, just some random deck that I made. You know, Absolute Zero with like the D Hero engine and all that. So yeah, let's go put fast so they know it's real. And host. Let's do this. Based. There I am. So yeah, like I've said, I've been making a bunch of random decks, and let's just go with this guy. I also made Bubble Beat because I don't know, Bubble Beat's pretty cool in my opinion. I just don't like. If I were to run here, I wouldn't run Bubble Beat, but I just kind of wanted to see how it would be if I did run that deck. Oh goodness gracious. Oh no, he's playing windups. Oh wait, no. He is. He has to be playing windups. Or like some rank 3 turbo deck. Tour bus. Yep, he's definitely playing windups. Because he's going to exceed the tour bus on one of these. For. Oh my god. Wow. This guy's going to go nutty on me. So he's probably going to go like Zen Mate. And then, yep. Wow. But yeah, his hand was really explosive first hand, I guess. Just because, like, first turn Gillosaurus for him is pretty much a free special summon since I don't have anything in the grave. And then, so then he could just loop me. And then, what's it called? He can exceed. And then the materials don't go, like, they don't get banished because they're not considered monsters or something like that. They're just, like, supposed to be, like, materials. So yeah, they just go to the graveyard and then that allows the wind up rat and all that. But yeah, to be honest, like someone's watching. So it's actually my teammate. We just always watch each other's video. And we always watch each other's duels, and we never say we know them. But yeah, it's just so funny. They creepy, pretty much. This is just telling me that he probably won't be playing like Pot of Avarice, because unless he activates like a return from different dimension. Yeah, I really don't have. If he hits the D draw, I'm pretty much screwed. Hopefully, I can like pot into a thing. Like if I pot into like a Rhoda and then Rhoda into Stratos and Stratos into like a D hero, you just discard it and bam, bam Bigelow. But yeah, I'm not surprised to be seeing windups. Just because Tyler Tabman won with windups. This past week. Oh, he had my Destiny draw. But yeah, I honestly don't. He can probably go into like a Zen mains right here, because there's really nothing else he can do, to be honest. Let's see. Oh, great, a Blackluster Soldier. Let's just go get the Gores and scare him, because he can't really hand loop. Well, I don't think he can. And then I have pretty much a dead Sangan. Because, you know, if it gets destroyed, it gets banished pretty much. But yeah, I wonder what you plan to do. Obvious. Let's see. No. I'm gonna I'm probably gonna drop it on his first, or I was going to drop it on his first attack, just because I can get the gores, and sometimes people usually just like bait it out. They attack with their lower monster, and if they don't drop gores, they just pass. I mean, that's what I do. Wow, doubles and mains. Yeah, this is gonna be kind of awkward. But yeah, I have no other choice to drop gores right now, because he can't ram as long as it's in defense mode. But yeah, I kind of like need a miracle. Let's see what I can do, because with this tech econ, I only run one econ too. I can like ram, and then ram again, and then tribute gores. I mean, I honestly have no other play. Battle phase. Let's tech this one. Minus 12. Tech. See, econ is good. Good econs is good. Let's banish this. Take control of that one. So I can ram these two. And then, yeah. Attacking. What is this guy doing? I don't think he knows what econ does. I don't think, yeah. Wait, what? I mean, he can't activate anything in his hand. If he had a hand trap, he can't activate, like, Veiler. Low. That's cheap. That's skill. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, I honestly have nothing else to do. I'm not gonna set the Sangan. I'll set the Sangan once I get the thing. What a beast. Yeah, I know. Man, I need something better that doesn't... Like, these two cards pretty much activate in the grave, and his D5 pretty much messed things up for me. A third Zen mains. Nice. Oops. I need to get rid of that D fissure, like, fast. Oh, great, another one. I'll just end for now. I mean, he's probably just gonna beat me down. But if I can get, if I can draw to a tour guide, I can change this game up. Because then I can just, what's it called? I can stall pretty much. I'll probably have to set the Sangan right now, because I honestly don't have any other plan. MST? Deja, that's amazing. Let's just go set this Miracle Fusion, because it's pretty irrelevant as of right now. Hopefully he gets scared and just goes into defense mode. Yeah, this guy played triple Zen mains and triple Zen Mighty. But yeah, I hope this video doesn't take too long. Instant fusion. Cherubian the Fire Knight. This card's a beast. All I know is that this card can actually attack. Ooh. Zenmaines? A fourth one? Probably like Leviathan or something. Leviair? What is he gonna do? Get my deep sea diver? Ooh, if I had a diva, that'd be pretty nutty. Cause stall with the thing. With the what's it called? Gachi Gachi Gentetsu. Cause Gachi Gachi's pretty beast. But yeah, I just can't do anything right now. Dark hole. That's amazing, I guess. Let's just activate this dark hole. Set this bluff destiny draw and pass. Oh no, I forgot. Huh. Lulz. I mean, I honestly think if he didn't have that deep fissure up, it'd be a different story. But yeah, good game. Admit defeat, because, I'm not too salty. That deep fissure. What is he playing? Double summon an Insector Gigamantis? Man, I'm mad at lots of this guy. No one expects it. There it was. Oh well. Yeah, base got it and you get him out. Bye.